everyone, and today I'm going to talk about Twitter sentiment analysis using machine learning. What is sentiment analysis and why is it necessary? There are 500 million tweets and 2.8 million comments per day. So obviously there's a huge amount of data we generate, and it is getting extremely difficult to get relevant information from this data manually. So how can we process this data? That is where sentiment analysis comes into the picture. In this project, we tried to evaluate the comments generated on Twitter and determine if they were positive, negative, or neutral. Sentiment analysis is super useful for gaining insight into customer opinions. Once we understand how they respond, after analyzing their comments or reviews, we can identify their likes and dislikes and build things like recommendation system or more targeted marketing campaign for them. The applications of sentiment analysis are endless and can be applied to any industry, from finance and retail to hospitality and technology. To name a few, the first is brand monitoring. Not only do brands have a wealth of information available on social media, but across the internet, on news sites, blogs, forums, product reviews, and more. Again, we can look at not just the volume of mentions, but the individual and overall quality of those mentions. Customer service. Analyzing customer service support interactions to ensure your employees are following appropriate protocol increases efficiency, so customers aren't left waiting for support. It decreases the churn rates. After all, it's less hassle to keep customers than acquire new ones. Sentiment analysis empowers all kinds of market research and competitive analysis. Whether you're exploring a new market, anticipating future trends, or seeking an edge on the competition, sentiment analysis can make all the difference. Social media monitoring. Sentiment analysis is used in social media monitoring, allowing businesses to gain insights about how customers feel about certain topics and detect urgent issues in real time before they spiral out of control. How does sentiment analysis work? So basically, it works in two parts. In simple languages, the two parts are training and prediction processes. In the training process, our model learns to associate a particular input, that is a text, to the corresponding output, tag, based on the test samples used for training. The feature extractor transfers the text input into a feature vector, pairs of feature vectors, and tags, that is positive, negative, or neutral, are fed into the machine learning algorithm to generate a model. In the prediction process, the feature extractor is used to transform unseen text inputs into feature vectors. These feature vectors are then fed into the model, which generates predicted text. After processing the data, we perform different types of machine learning models, such as naive Bayes, logistic regression, random forest classifier, linear regression, linear support vector machine. We tested the accuracy of each model from the test set and compared it with the training set. Many brands have leveraged the power of sentiment analytics to make fantastic products, work faster, and improve the overall efficiency of the system. Sentimental analytics has evolved from being a high-tech fancy tool into an indispensable tool that will help in gleaming new insights from customer chatter into a much-needed tool for the businesses to scale their growth by multiple folds. So next time you hear Twitter, I want you to think information and analysis, insights and decision. Thank you for watching.